Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a closer look of this Waykar dehumidifier. It is 150 pint dehumidifier, so this is a good large capacity for a basement or a large room. And the cool feature about this is that it has a feature called self-drying, so it cleans itself inside, and that's great because you don't have to worry about mold building up or anything like that inside. And it has a drain hose right here, which can work vertically, which is a good feature. And if we take a look right here, you can see you have different settings, high-low fan, and other settings that are great for a dehumidifier. So if you're looking for a good one, this is a very nice one.